Hello, students of class 7. I am going to give you the answers to these questions from your lesson. The 2 says players. This is read and answer question number 2. Fill in the blanks in the sentences given below with details selected from the box. Refer to the story to ensure you have made the right choices. Now here are the words that we have to put in these gaps. Now what I have done here, everyone in Lucknow was completely engrossed in the pursuit of pleasure. Next, B. Due to lack of efficient administration in Awadh, the kingdom was thrown into great disorder. C. There was no law and order, taxes were not being collected, and the debts to the East India Company were growing heavier. D. Eventually, the British Army marched into Lucknow with 5,000 men and heavy artillery, captured Wazir Ali Shah, the ruler of Awadh, and transferred him to an unknown destination. So this is all from this question. Now let us move on to the next slide. Question number 3. Complete each of the following sentences with an appropriate choice from the given options. A. The two friends' families and neighbors objected to them playing chess because 1. They were always quarreling with one another. Number 2. They considered the game to be an unlucky one which could ruin families. This one is the right option. Number 3. They would not eat their food regularly. So number 2 is the right option. Now B. When the objections from the families grew too difficult to ignore, they decided to number 1. Stop playing chess. 2. Continue with the games in Mirza's house. 3. Cross the river Gomti and play chess in a deserted mosque. This is the right option, number 3. So C. The army of the East India Company captured Wazir Ali Shah. Number 1. After besieging the city of Lucknow and depriving the inhabitants of food and water. No. Number 2. After attacking the city with the artillery and killing many of the citizens. No. 3. In a peaceful and uneventful manner without any bloodshed. This is the right option. 3. D. After yet another disagreement over a chess came the two men. Number 1. Drew their swords and fought each other to their deaths. This is the right one. Other 2, let us check. And quarreled and insulted each other's families. No. 3. Decided that they would never play chess with one another again. So I have given the answers to these 2 questions. You will write them. With that I conclude this presentation, and I will come up with new things in the next presentation. Till that time, goodbye. Thank you.